Hello everyone, today we are going to make a delicious Taiwanese dish called scallion pancakes. This is a very popular food in Korea too. We will show you how to mix the ingredients, cook them, and enjoy this tasty treat. Let's have fun cooking. Scallion pancakes is one of the most famous appetizers in Taiwan, also known as spring onion pancakes. The pancake is said to have originated from Northeast China 1,300 years ago. Nowadays, the dish is mainly eaten as breakfast or side dish in Taiwan.
Scallion pancake tastes savory and crispy. The unique part is the Taiwanese scallion pancake usually has an egg on top of it. Some people even enjoy eating it with hot sauce. The spice makes the pancake taste richer and more flavorful.
Get ready to roll, twist, and sizzle. Today, we're making scallion pancakes crispy, chewy, and totally delicious. Let's have fun in the kitchen and make our very own tasty creation.
Step 1. Add water and make the dough. Step 2. Roll, curl, and fatten.
Step 3. Sprinkle the salt and spring onion as on the surface.
Step 4. Pan fry until both sides are golden brown.
Step 5. Crack an egg on the top.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. Goodbye.
To our Korean friends, thank you so much for the thoughtful gift you sent us. Today, we are making friendship bracelets just for you. Each bracelet is our way of saying thank you. We appreciate you, and we hope our friendship grows even more. We hope you like them.
Unboxing time! Today, we're opening a special cultural box all the way from Korea to Taiwan. Let's see what surprises our Korean friends sent us.
Hi, thank you for the gifts.
We love you.
We are very happy.
We hope to see you soon.
Thank you very much.
Let's be a good friend.
We hope you like our gifts too.
Hi, Yami.
Thank you for thinking of us.